Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock Koobee SL004T, alias known as Koobee K100. As you can see, we have one device which is network locked, as you can see. In order to unlock it, I am going to use the FuriousGold box and OT Smart module latest version from the pack 6. But first, before starting the unlock, we need to enable the developer options and enable the OEM unlock and USB debugging. Let's start by enabling the developer mode. Okay. At the developer options, we are going to enable the OEM unlocking. And also I'm going to enable the USB debugging. Once we do this, I'm going to restart the phone. So once the phone is off, we connect the USB cable. Once the phone is on, we connect the USB cable. On the software, we select our model and choose remove SIM lock, and we press connect. On the phone, we choose allow, and we click yes. Now the software informs us what we must do once we press OK. We need to confirm the bootloader unlocking with the volume up. So we press OK, and we press volume up. We are going to relock it now, and we also confirm with the volume up. So the phone got unlocked in less than 1 minute. Now let's wait for the device to start and check if it's really unlocked. Let's reconfigure it. So as you can see, we don't have any network log message. We have here Vodafone Romania, full signal. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.